Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video we'll be learning how to place your foot correctly while driving a manual car. I have seen many drivers who keep their foot in the clutch pedal while they are driving. That's not a correct placement for your left foot, and I have also seen many drivers who change their whole right leg while they are shifting from brake pedal to the gas pedal. When they are pressing the brake, they will press the brake like this, and when they have to give the accelerator, they will shift the whole leg like this. This is not the correct way of moving your right foot. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to position your left foot and right foot correctly while driving a manual car. So before I jump straight into video, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, in a manual transmission car we have three pedals: accelerator, brake and the clutch, and we have two foot, the left foot and the right foot. So we will operate the clutch pedal with the left foot only. When we have to operate the clutch, we will press the clutch like this. Make sure that you press the clutch all the way down, and when you release the clutch, we will put our left foot in the dead pedal like this. Never drive by placing your left foot in the clutch pedal while driving. This is not the good habit of driving. Some people think that this is the place where they have to rest their left foot. When you place your left foot in the clutch while you are driving, then you are engaging the clutch slightly, and in the long run it will decrease the lifespan of your clutch plate. So never drive your car by placing your left foot on the clutch pedal. When you finished operating your clutch, you place your left foot in the dead pedal like this, and again when you have to use the clutch, press the clutch all the way down, release the clutch and place your left foot in the dead pedal like this. But I have seen many cars which doesn't have dead pedals. On that case, you can just simply place your left foot in the floor like this. If you don't have dead pedal, that's not a problem. Now let's learn how to position the right foot correctly. So we have to operate the brake pedal and the gas pedal with the right foot. We never operate brake and accelerator pedal at the same time. So if we have to press the brake, we will release our foot from the accelerator pedal and then we will press the brake. And if we have to accelerate our car again, then we won't move our foot like this. Instead, what we will do is, we have pressed the brake like this, we will make the heel of the right foot as the pivot point, and then we will rotate our right foot like this. Okay, and with the toe of the right foot, it will press the accelerator pedal like this. And then when you have to again press the brake, we won't move the whole foot like this. We won't do that. What we will do is, we have pressed the accelerator pedal like this. Then if you have to operate the brake, then we will make the heel as the pivot point and rotate the foot like this. Okay, that's the same case when you have to press the accelerator pedal again. We will make a heel as a pivot point and then we will rotate our right foot like this and press the accelerator pedal. When we have to engage the brake, we will just apply the brake like this. Okay, this is the correct way of positioning your foot while driving a manual car. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.